Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you about history lesson plan, topic being Mughal Empire. First of all, you will write your name, then class, subject, topic, date and school name. Then comes to your journal objective. Your first journal objective is to foster in children an interest in the past and to develop an understanding that enables them to enjoy all the history has to offer. The second one is to enable children to know about significant events in British history and to appreciate how things have changed over time. Then third one is to develop the sense of chronology. The fourth one is to understand how Britain is a part of a wider European culture and to study some aspects of European history. Your fifth journal objective is to have some knowledge and understanding of historical development in the wider world. The sixth one is to help children understand society and their place within it so that they develop a sense of their cultural heritage. The seventh one is to develop in children the skills of inquiry, investigation, analysis, evaluation, and presentation. Then comes to your main objective. The first one is trace the political history of 16th and 17th centuries. Then second one is understanding the impact of an imperial administration at the local and regional level. The third one is illustrate how the Akbarnama and the Ain Akbari are used to reconstruct history. Then comes to your teaching aids, in which you need write about material you use while teaching your students like blackboard, chalk, duster, chart paper, etc. Then comes to your previous knowledge testing, in which you will ask some topic related question to students to check how much students are aware with the topic. The first question is the name of residence of Mughal emperors in Delhi was. The answer is the Red Fort. Second question is Gangesh Khan was a ruler of which tribe? The answer is Mongols. Then question third is which Mughal emperor was defeated by Sher Shah Suri? The answer is Humayun. Then your problematic question is what is the ruling period of Jahangir? Then comes to your announcement of the topic. Students, today we will study about the Mughal Empire. Then comes to your representation. First point is while explaining, pupil teacher explains the students the Mughal were descendants of Genghis Khan and Timur the Lame. The second point is pupil teacher explains the students about. Then comes to your teaching aids, blackboard, chalk, duster and book. Then comes to your previous knowledge testing. The first question is the name of residence of Mughal emperors in Delhi was. The answer is the Red Fort. Question second is Genghis Khan was a ruler of which tribe? The answer is Mongols. Question third is which Mughal emperor was defeated by Sher Shah Suri? The answer is Humayun. Then comes to your problematic question. What is the ruling period of Jahangir? Then comes to your announcement of the topic. Students, today we will study about the Mughal Empire. Then comes to your representation. The first point is pupil teacher explains the students the Mughal were descendants of Genghis Khan and Timur the Lame. Point second is pupil teacher explains the students Abul Fazl wrote the Akbarnama and Ain Akbari books on Akbar and his administration. Point third is pupil teacher explains the students. Mansubdars were Mughal government officials with mansubs, bracket में है land and authority, then and were paid according to their Z. Z मतलब होता है rank. Then आपका next point is pupil teacher explain the students. Todermal, Akbar's revenue minister, introduced the tax revenue system called Zept that was used all over the Mughal Empire. And the last point is pupil teacher explained the students there were frequent fights among Mughal prince for the title and power of emperor. Then comes to your recapitalization. Question first is why was it extremely difficult to rule over the Indian subcontinent? The second question is how did the Mughals succeed in ruling the subcontinent? Question third is what is the importance of Red Fort in modern context? Then comes to your worksheet. It means homework. Answer the following questions. Question first is who were Mughals? The second question is who founded the Mughal rule in India and how? Question third is describe the region of Humayun. Then question fourth is at which age did Akbar became emperor? Give an account of his rulership. Question fifth is describe the regions of Jahangir and Shah Jahan. If you want any video on any topic, let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.